Good afternoon, guys. Today is January 29th. Welcome to New York City Nor'easter Snow Blizzard. So let's walk around in my neighborhood, which is Dyker Heights, Brooklyn. It's been snowing since last night, Friday night, and today is Saturday morning, and it has already been accumulated about, I don't know, maybe 18 inches or so. I usually do my daily walk about like 4 to 5 miles a day, try to get like my 8,000, 10,000 steps a day. But right now I'm trying to walk like on the pile of snow on the sidewalk. It's not like walking in the park. It's just absolutely difficult. Okay, this is gonna be way harder than I thought it would be. As you can see, lots of people are doing like snow shoveling and snow plowing. It's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. I can't feel my nose anymore. First, I was gonna go and drive around, and then I found out that my car was also buried under the snow, so there's no way I'm going to shovel the snow and then like drive around. Besides, the road conditions are really slippery and dangerous, so I decided to walk around in my neighborhood. To put on a mask. It's just too cold. There's also a wind condition. It's like 40 miles an hour wind is going on. It's like literally a full-blown snowstorm. It's really quiet in the neighborhood. Like, there's not a lot of cars driving by, so I'm actually walking on the street. I cannot walk on the sidewalk at all because, you know, sidewalks are not clear and they're like covered like 18 inches of snow. Look at this all the way over here. You see there's the tree-lined street. On the right-hand side, there are all trees, and you can see the tunnel through. That's the sidewalk all the way towards the Bell Parkway. I'm really tempted to go all the way over there, but it's getting too cold, and also it's gonna get too far, so I also need time to go back. Now I'm in Bay Ridge. I walk from Dyker Heights, but now I'm in Bay Ridge on 5th Avenue, where there's like a lot of businesses and stores, but most of the stores are closed today. Now I'm heading back. Now I'm heading back to my house from Bay Ridge. It stopped snowing. So it stopped raining, and I'm also like, no, it stopped raining, I'm sorry. It stopped snowing, and I'm also heading back to my house. What you see here is the aftermath of a nor'easter snowstorm for 2022. I also achieved my 10,000 steps today. So this is the end of the vlog for today, snow vlog for 2022. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and if you want to see some of the video around New York City, like this video and then subscribe to my channel. And I'm hoping to put more videos in the future as well. So thank you for watching this video.